In the last class, we discussed how Pi was thirst, how he compared his thirst to Jesus Christ. So, he compared his thirst of water to Jesus Christ. So, Jesus was dying of water. He was so much of thirst in the end of his life. He asked his father why he leave him without water, and he says, I am thirst. In the same way, Richard Parker is there in the lifeboat, Zebra is there, and hyena was there. But in spite of that dangerous animals, Pi was only focusing on water because he was very much tired and he is weak and he wants water to drink. That's what we say. Okay, that what we saw in the last class. Now in this class we are going to discuss how he found water to drink and what did he do with the other animals. Those are Richard Parker, hyena and zebra. Okay, so let us begin. I hard crawl, I lay flat. So he was crawling like a child to find water on the boat. Okay, so I lay flat. After some time he laid flat on the lifeboat. Carefully brought my head, he says. So I brought my head carefully and laid flat on the lifeboat, he says. I not see Richard Parker, he says. So there were very dangerous animals on the lifeboat. Richard Parker, hyena are very dangerous animals which can kill human being as well as animals. But he says, I did not notice, I did not see Richard Parker because I am very weak and I am thirst. I am in need of water, he says. The hyena plainly visible, he says. So hyena is very plainly visible, but not Richard Parker, he says. It back behind what left of zebra. Actually, there is the life of Pi is a movie. First it was written in a novel form and then it was converted to feature films. Okay, so if you see that movie, so this particular hyena is very hungry and it kills zebra. So that's what he is explaining here. Okay, so here it is given in indirect form, that is when he saw hyena plainly visible, it saw on his behind what was left of zebra, which means this hyena killed zebra and ate it up, and there were some flesh of zebra was left on hyena's behind, which means back of hyena, that meat was stuck on his on the hyena back. That what he says. Hyena plainly visible, back behind what left of zebra, he says. So hyena killed zebra and he ate it up, and some of the flesh of zebra, back of zebra, it was on the back of hyena, he says. I no longer not 10 feet away, he says. So between hyena and me, there were only 10 feet distance was there, he says. Richard Parker presence. So there was Richard Parker presence was there and hyena was there, both were there. But he says, only the hyena was plainly visible, not Richard Parker. And distance, if you see, there are only 10 feet distance was away from hyena and Pi. That useful aspect, he says. What is useful here? Actually, the dangerous animal, the very great beast, if you say, comparing to the people, those who are inside the boat, is Richard Parker. It weighs how much? 450 pounds it weighs. Okay, so very dangerous animal, this Bengal tiger. So he says the Bengal tiger Richard Parker is there. On the second rank, which is very second rank in danger, is hyena. But hyena is visible, not Richard Parker, he says, because Richard Parker was very passive. He was just looking. That useful aspect afraid, which means hyena did not kill Pi because there is Richard Parker, which is more dangerous than all animals. So he is comparing this particular comparison. Ridiculous dog. Here ridiculous dog refers to hyena. There is a comparison when tiger like being afraid of splinters when trees falling down. He says When there is a dangerous Richard Parker is there, why should I afraid of this hyena, he says. Okay. So when he saw on the boat, the hyena was visible, not Richard Parker. So that's why he was afraid of hyena. But after noticing Richard Parker, he says to himself, why should I afraid of hyena? Because there is a more dangerous animal than hyena, that is Richard Parker. So he says, why should I afraid of a splinter? Splinters means wood, small wood. When there is a tree falling down, he says. So when there is a tree like a strong, dangerous animal, Richard Parker, why should I afraid of the splinters like a small wood, like hyena? Why should I afraid of? I angry at the animal, which means he says, I am very much angry about the hyena because it killed zebra. If you see that movie, when it killed zebra, he was very much angry and he was about to beat hyena. But what happens? The only reason I not stand up and beat with a stick, lack of strength and stick, he says. That is a lack of heart, which means he does not have strength to take a stick and beat this hyena. He had a very lack of strength. He did not have a strength because he did not eat food, he did not drink water. Okay. So he did not have strength to fight against this hyena, and even he says, I don't hurt animals, that is a lack of heart. So that's why I did not beat this hyena, he says. Though I was angry at this animal, I did not beat, he says. Now he says, super alpha watching me. Pi says, what is a super alpha? Super alpha means a person above me. Okay. For animals, who is a super alpha? The master. Human beings are masters, isn't it? So he says super alpha, which is pi, watching me. He gives a comparison. He just tells whether hyena is thinking I am a super alpha and watching him. I better not move. So pi says that it is better that I should not move. Okay, why? Because hyena is there, very dangerous. Okay, I should not move, he says. Richard Parker explained, after that what happens? This Richard Parker explained the animal's strange behavior. Okay, so the Richard Parker explains all the strange behaviors of these animals. And it is clear why hyena confined itself. Now only he comes to the conclusion why hyena is confined. Confined means what? Limited, making himself in a circle. So why hyena is very limited in circle? Because it was afraid of Richard Parker. The master of animal is there. The very dangerous animal is there on the boat, in the lifeboat. So that's why he made, hyena was made in a circle. It was a circle in a particular circle, and it was afraid to kill zebra. That way he says small space behind the zebra, he says. So there is only small space is there between zebra and hyena, but hyena was making delay to kill this zebra. The reason is because more powerful animal is there, that is Richard Parker, the Bengal tiger is there. That's why he waited so long before killing it. So that's why it was killing, though hyena was very hungry, okay, but he did not kill immediately. Because there was a Bengal tiger more powerful than him is there. That's why he waited for so long time to kill zebra. Okay. So here what happens? He had a hard crowd for searching for water, and there was Richard Parker, but he did not see. But the hyena was plainly visible. Okay. So what happened? Since hyena was very hungry, it killed zebra. And how did we come to know that it killed zebra? Because there were some flesh left out behind him. And the distance between pi and this zebra and hyena was only 10 feet. Now only he realizes Richard Parker presence, because he says that is a useful aspect, because hyena did not kill me because Richard Parker is there. The master is there, that's why he did not kill me, he says. That's why he says the useful aspect. Then there is a comparison. Okay, when there is a very big tree, why should we worry about a very splinter, very small wood? In the same way he says, why should I afraid of this hyena, very small dog? Why should I afraid of it when there is a bigger and very powerful animal, Richard Parker is there? Why should I afraid of it? So that's why he says, I am not afraid of hyena, let it be, he says. And he says, I am very kind-hearted person and I don't have a heart to kill it, and more than that, I don't have strength to kill it. Okay. So in the last we saw, hyena was confined in a particular circle to kill hyena because the more powerful animal was there before him, that is Richard Parker, the Bengal tiger. Next, it fear of greater beast, he says. The strained temporary peace between orange juice and hyena, my reprieve, which means he says, the hyena was very much afraid of Richard Parker. That's why he says, fear of greater beast. That is strained, temporary peace, he says. So there is a temporary peace between hyena and pie. Okay, why? Because he was afraid of Richard Parker. Okay, so that's why it was very silent and looking for a right time to kill zebra. And here strained means tension. There is a kind of a tension between pie and the hyena, and the hyena and the zebra. Okay, that's why he says a temporary peace between orange juice. What is this orange juice? It's another animal. Okay, it looks like one of the monkeys, one kind of monkey, and a hyena. So there was a peace between orange juice and hyena, only temporary it was, but there was a tension. Why there was a tension? Because everyone is very hungry. Okay, they want to eat each other. That's why they were waiting. So he says, my reprieve. What is this my reprieve? Means temporary relief from pain. What is the temporary relief here? That is, hyena did not attack him. That is a temporary peace. So there is no doubt to the same reason. He says, the same reason why hyena was waiting, I also was in peace, because hyena was afraid of Richard Parker and I was afraid of hyena. So there was a long time to kill zebra. Okay, so there is no doubt why I was in peace, because the same reason it was afraid of Richard Parker. The face of superior predator. Who is here a superior predator? So the Richard Parker is a superior predator. What is the normal way of praying? Usually you might have seen in Discovery channels. Okay, usually a tiger runs behind a deer or any other animals. Okay, it looks for an exact time to bound on to kill the animal and eat it. So that is the normal way of praying. But what happens here, he says, the normal ways of praying were affected. Usually the tiger has to go for hunt and it has to wait for right time. But what happens here? The normality is not there. Why? The food is behind. The food is nearby the tiger. That is why he says the normal ways of praying were affected. The presence of tiger saved me from hyena. He says, I was saved from hyena because hyena was afraid of tiger. That's why I was saved. He gives an example, that is a textbook example, jumping from the frying pan into the fire. Okay, what is a frying pan? We keep, if you want to prepare some dish, we keep a pan, that is a frying pan. Okay, frying a particular vegetable. So what do? We keep a pan on the fire. So which has more heat? Only the flame which is under, which is fire, is it has more heat than the fire pan. What he says, jumping from the frying pan into the fire, which means here frying pan is hyena and the fire is Richard Parker. Okay, so I was waiting for the right time to escape. Now what happens when the frying pan into the fire? So it became like I jumped into the fire when this hyena went away. Okay, so here the textbook example gives jumping from the frying pan into the fire, which means he escaped from hyena, that is frying pan. Okay, and enter into the fire. That is Richard Parker. Okay, that is a very simple example he gives here. The great beast not behaving like a great beast, he says. See, Richard Parker is very dangerous animal and very, very dangerous. Okay, it wants to. Actually, the tiger has to kill, it has to bound, it has to attack the animals. But what happens? The Richard Parker was not behaving like a great beast. Okay, so then what did it do? Richard Parker's passivity. What is Richard Parker's passivity? Passivity means being passive, not doing anything. That is called passivity. So here Richard Parker was very passive for how many days? For 3 long days, sedation and sickness. Father regularly sedated. Okay, for what? Less and stress. Usually, if you see the movie, The Life of Pi, his father is he maintains a zoo. Okay, in that zoo only, all the animals will be there. So he wants to take all the animals from India to Canada. So while shifting from ship goods only, the ship gets wrecked and sank into the sea. So all the animals went into that. So before starting the travel, he gives the tablets, which is sedation. Sedation means to make animal calm. Okay. So sickness, seasickness. So he gives a sedation not to have a seasickness. So what he says, why Richard Parker is very passive? Because his father gave some kind of a sedation to keep the tiger very calm. And father gives regularly to the animals to lessen stress. To make the stress less, this father used to give to all the animals. He sedated shortly before the ship sank. That's what he say. He asks himself a question. Pi asks himself. He says that whether my father gave sedation to all the animals. So he questions himself. The only plausible explanation. What is this plausible? This plausible means probably, likely, acceptable. The acceptable explanation why tiger is in sedated interest is all these things he says. Why? Because my father might have given a sedation to all the animals, or maybe the Richard Parker is tired because it has affected with the seasickness. So that's why he is asking all these questions. Okay. Now he comes back to his question. I lost interest in questions. So he says, I lost all the questions, interest in all the questions. What are the questions? Why Richard Parker is not a great beast? Why it did not kill the hyena? Why it is so passive? All these questions makes him uninterested. Then what is interest him? The only interest him, that is water. The only water interested me, which means he wants to drink water. He wants to drink more water because he is thirsty. So he keeps all the questions away. Okay, he keeps all the questions away and he wants to drink water only. Stock of the lifeboat, he says. So now what happens? He kept away all the questions and now he is looking for the water to find and drink. So he was searching on the stock of the lifeboat, and now the size of the boat is explained. It 3.5 feet deep. Okay, the lifeboat is 3.5 feet deep, 8 feet wide and 26 feet long. So now they say the size of the boat. What is the size of the boat? 3.5 deep, 3.5 feet deep, 8 feet wide and 26 feet long. So this is the length of the lifeboat. Now what is printed on the lifeboat? It printed on one side of the benches. Okay, in what letter? Black letters. Okay, it was written. Okay, we will see the letters in the next class. What is written on the black letters? And he says lifeboat designed for what? Accommodate maximum 32 people. So if you see this movie, Titanic movie, actually there were only 12 lifeboats were there in Titanic. But how many people traveled in Titanic? Almost 2000 people traveled in Titanic ship. Why many killed? Because there were less lifeboat. And what happened when the ship was broken into two and it was sank into the water? Okay, there were only 12 little lifeboats, and in each boat 30 people can travel. But actually, what happened? There was a rumor that only ladies and children can travel in the lifeboat. There was a wrong, and a rumor was spread in the ship. So what happened? In each boat only 10 or 12 people only were traveling, not 30. Okay, so the lifeboats are designed to accommodate maximum 30 people. But what happened here? Only 2 people, that is, okay, who are the 2 people? He says Richard Parker and Pi. Then what about the Zebra? Zebra was killed and Aina was killed by Richard Parker. So there were only 2 people. And what about the Orange Juice? Orange Juice was also killed by this Aina. So there on the ship there were only 2 people. Who are the 2 people? That is Pi and Richard Parker. Now he says the tools and all the equipments which are in the lifeboat are in orange color. Why it is an orange color? That orange color refer to color of survival. Okay. So if you see the jacket, life jacket also will be painted on in the orange. Okay, that will be in the orange color. Okay. So next, what are the things in the lifeboat? Let us see. The tarpaulin. Tarpaulin means what? Very hard sheet. Okay, that particular hard sheet covered half of the ship. Okay, the lifeboat, it covered half of the lifeboat. That is tarpaulin. It is a very hard, very long sheet. Next, what is there? Life jackets. So life jackets were what? In which color? In orange color. Okay. Next is life buoy. What is this life buoy? Life buoy is not the soap which we use. Okay, it is in circle. Okay, you might have seen an orange and white color it will be painted. If somebody is struggling to swim, they will give this life buoy, and we have to keep our neck into that, and we have to keep above the hip to swim. And what is the next one? The horse. What is this oars? Oars means the very long flat stick to sail the boat. Okay. Next, what is there? Plastic headless whistles, he says. What is this headless whistles? Why the headless whistles are given? You know it, whistles means what? You might have seen PT stars may be having the whistle, small whistles, and they will whistle to discipline the students, isn't it? In the same way, in the ship lifeboat, some headless whistles were there. If you watch this Life of Pi movie, he whistles that whistle to control this Bengal tiger. Okay, so in the ship only there were Richard Parker and Pi. So he has to control the Richard Parker. Otherwise, Richard Parker will kill Pi. So in order to to make the tiger, he trains the tiger. How? With the whistles. So he whistles, according to the whistles, the tiger is controlled. So what happens in the lifeboat? Whatever the things are inside the boat are in orange color. What are the in orange color? Life jackets, life buoy, and the horse, and the headless whistles. Okay. So usually orange refers to what? This color of survival. So now you can see the length of the boat. What is the length of the boat? 3.5 feet deep, 8 feet wide, and 26 feet long. Okay, and especially this particular lifeboat is designed to accommodate how many people? Maximum 32 people, he says. Okay, and all the things which are there in the ship are in orange color. Now what he says, the only 2 people were living, one is Pi and Richard Parker. Now you can see, you can discuss here, as in the Titanic movie, the 2 ships broken into 2 and into sank. In the same way, the reason is not given. Actually, in the movie, it hit the iceberg, but here the reason is not given why the ship is sank into the water. And all the animals whichever father took from India to Canada were sank into the water and were killed. Only this zebra, hyena, orange juice, and Richard Parker somehow climbed the lifeboat in which Pi was there. Okay. So the hyena killed zebra first. So it was hungry. So it killed zebra first. Next it was killed orange juice. Why did it kill orange juice? Because orange juice was making noise when he killed zebra. So hyena got angry and killed this orange juice. So that's why pie got angry. Why unnecessary killed this orange juice? So that's why they both get very much. There was a very much a quarrel between this hyena and pie. Okay, so you might now you understand how orange juice and zebra was killed. Okay, now the question is, why the greater beast was not afraid? Why it was so passive? Actually, it was a very dangerous animal that has to kill whom? That dangerous animal has to kill all other animal in the ship. Okay, what are they? Hyena and orange juice and this pie. But he did not kill because there was a sedation given by his father before starting of the journey. So that's why the tiger was so calm. That's what we saw here. Richard Parker's passivity for how many days? For long 3 days. Okay, so Pi was wondering why Richard Parker is not reacting. Okay, why it is not reacting when hyena killed zebra? Why it is not reacting? But actually, after 3 days, Richard Parker kills hyena. Okay, in somehow it was the situation was in favor of Pi because Richard Parker did not kill Pi. Okay, hyena did not kill Pi because hyena was afraid of Richard Parker. Okay, so Pi was safe in all the time. Okay, why father gives sedation to all the animals? Because that gets very angry in any time. So while they traveling in a good ship, the animal should not get angry. Okay, that should get calm. That's why father gave a sedation to all the animals to make the stress lesser. Okay, so I hope you have understood what he is trying to say here. Okay.